Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2002 Case CX160 excavator that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, talk about features and functions, get up close to everything, show you anything that I see. Then we'll start it up, run it around, lift itself up, show the thumb working, kind of just run it through its paces here. As always, if you are in the market for a used excavator or a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos. All your subscriptions and likes help other people find our videos who are looking for similar machines, and we truly appreciate it. I'll get up close to everything here in a second, kind of show you everything. Like I said, this one's a 2002, set up with cab heat and air. It's got a hydraulic thumb, 110 horsepower Cummins diesel engine, showing 4,218 hours and 36,226 pound operating weight. So we started up a little bit ago, kind of ran it around. Engine cranks right up, runs good, no excessive smoking. The hydraulics are strong. There is some play up here in these pins. I don't see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on the boom or the stick. Kind of go slow here and go around it all. The paint's a little faded, as you can kind of see. But like I said, I don't see any cracks or welds anywhere. Does have the hydraulic thumb. A little bit of a dent underneath the lower part of the cab there. Kind of going around, and like I said, as you can see, the paint's a little faded. It's got some scratches. Nothing out of the ordinary, kind of par for the course for a used excavator. Fairly straight here on this side. Undercarriage is actually pretty decent. Pad life's pretty good. Sprockets are pretty darn good. As you can see here, there's definitely life left in those sprockets. Pins and bushings are actually pretty round. There's just a little bit of a flat edge starting. And as you can see here, the chain looks good. Undercarriage has definitely got some life left in it. Coming around the backside here, counterweight is pretty good. It's got some paint scratched off of it, but I don't notice any huge dents or dings where they've backed into that counterweight and really crunched it in or anything, like you see every once in a while. Fairly straight there. Kind of look underneath here. Looks like most of the access panels are gone here, so you can kind of see up into everything here. Coming around, this door here does have it's been dinged. You can see it doesn't mesh completely there. Going into your hydraulic pump. Everything in here looks really good though. Everything around the pump's nice and dry. Kind of what you can see here. Everything looks good there. Again, coming across here, pretty straight. Again, paint is faded. That step's a little dented in there. Kind of looking, I think both of these cylinders look like they're pretty dry here. Looks good and dry down here. We'll go up and take a look at that Cummins engine. As you can see, the paint's faded up here. My guess is this machine sat outside quite a bit. All right. Trying to look here at the Cummins engine. As you can see, a little dirty up here, but maybe a little bit of moisture there. Cranks up and runs good, which you'll get to see that here in a little bit. All right, we'll go down and take a look inside the cab. Looking at the cab, the front glass is good. I think most everything else has been replaced with plexiglass. As you can see, it's a little scratchy, a little dark on the sides here. Floor mat is in decent shape. It's got a few little cuts here and there. Both your sticks are in pretty decent shape though, on your drive sticks. As far as the seat goes, it's got a couple little spots up here where it's wearing thin. Nothing else up here. The back of it's actually pretty good. Both armrests are here. Like I said there, 42.18 on the hours. Like I said, this glass is good. That's glass down there, but I think everything else has been replaced with plexiglass. All right, like I said, it's an 02 CX160, 42.18 on the hours. I'll shut that engine compartment and we'll get right into an operational video.